Barbados 4K. Discover Caribbean paradise and crystal blue beaches with deep house chill. Aerial drone shot over turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and waving palm trees. Welcome to Barbados, Pearl of the Caribbean. A place where the waters shimmer like liquid sapphire. Beaches whisper with the wind, and the rhythm of island life flows as effortlessly as the ocean waves. In this immersive 4K travel documentary, we invite you on a breathtaking journey across one of the most captivating islands in the world, a place where relaxation meets culture and natural beauty meets vibrant soul. This is Barbados like you've never seen before. Chapter 1. Welcome to Barbados, the island that sings. Barbados, located in the eastern Caribbean, is more than just an island. It's an experience. As the most easterly island in the Caribbean archipelago, Barbados enjoys year-round sunshine, warm tropical breezes, and an infectious sense of calm. From the moment you arrive, you notice something magical. The lilt of Bajan accents, beating calypso and the lush backdrop of palm trees swaying over turquoise waves. Bridgetown areas, local markets, smiling windows, waves hitting the shore. This is the land of flying fish, rum distilleries, cricket fields, coral reefs, unforgettable sunsets. But beyond the postcards lies a Barbados full of hidden groves, rural trails, coastal villages, and untold stories of intimate despair. West Coast, flattened coastline, tall golden beaches, luxury villas, catamarans floating offshore. The west coast of Barbados, often referred to as the Platinum Coast, is where you'll find some of the island's most supersoils and beaches. Tall Caribbean walls gently kiss the shoreline, making this stretch perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sailing. Haynes Bay, Sandy Lane Beach, Mullins Beach. Catamaran cruises glide across the calm seas, often stopping to allow travelers to swim with sea turtle or snorkel over colorful reefs. Guests lounging, snorkeling underwater, sea turtles gliding past corals. South Coast, energy, entertainment, and culture. St. Lawrence Gap nightlife, boardwalk views, local food streets. South Coast pulses with energy. St. Lawrence Gap, known simply as The Gap, is the cultural heartbeat of Bajan nightlife. By day, joggers line the South Coast boardwalk. By night, scent of grilled seafood, the sound of live steel drums, and the glow of tiki lights transform the coast into a celebration. Local tip: try a Bajan fish cut or a plate of flying fish and pupu, the island's national dish. Local vendors, food close-ups, dancing, bar hopping. Just outside the bustling areas, find serene beaches like Aqua Beach and Miami Beach, perfect for both relaxation and water sports. Rugged cliffs, crashing waves, surfers riding swells, green landscapes. Unlike the tranquil west, the east coast of Barbados faces the mighty Atlantic. Here, the island wears a wild face. Waves crash against rocky cliffs, mist rises from the sea, and palm groves sway inland. Bathsheba Beach, surfer's paradise and photographer's team. Tent Bay, fishermen mending nets, children laughing in the surf, the hidden caves and underground wonders. Inside Harrison's Cave, crystal formations, underground streams. Below the surface lies one of Barbados' most extraordinary natural wonders, Harrison's Cave. Journey deep into limestone tunnels, where crystal clear streams fill with powerless stalactites and stalagmites. Millions of years in the making, Harrison's Cave is a hidden world where geology tells stories older than time. Nearby, Animal Flower Cave offers something different. Coastal views of the natural rock windows, crashing surf below, and tide pools filled with sea life. Barbados is often hailed as the birthplace of rum, and for good reason. At Mount Gay Rum Distillery, the world's oldest, you can trace the history of rum making back over 300 years. Rum tasting, barrels aging, tour guide storytelling. Rum isn't just a drink here. It's a culture, a language, a tradition. Royston's Fish Fry, Friday night street party with food and music. Crop Over Festival, Barbados' version of carnival, vibrant, colorful, and soulful. Local cricket matches, where the sport is more than a game, it's a religion. Underwater diving, coral gardens, tropical fish, turtles. Barbados is surrounded by vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. The island is a sanctuary for hawksbill turtle, which can often be seen close to shore. Snorkeling at Folkestone Marine Park, paddleboarding over crystal shallows. You don't need to go far to find just a mask, fins, and a curious heart. Hidden gems and remote adventures. Back roads, colorful fishing villages, lush sugarcane fields. Beyond the famous beaches, Barbados hides dozens of hidden gems. St. Nicholas Abbey, a Jacobean plantation house with working rum distillery. Codrington College, a serene historic seminary, unforgettable views. Welchman Hall Gully, a shaded tropical gully with wild lilies and massive palms. Whether you're looking for five-star oceanfront luxury or a quaint cottage in Sleep Village, Barbados has it all. The Crane Resort, historic charm with clifftop rooms, local Airbnbs, stay with locals for a more immersive experience. Sandy Lane, iconic luxury, off-courses for world-class service. Whatever your choice, the sound of the waves is never far away. Soul of the island, music, spirit, and truth. Sunset shots, acoustic steel drum band, calm ocean footage, smiling locals as our journey comes to a close. We invite you to slow down, breathe deep, and let the spirit of Barbados sink into your soul. Because here, beauty is a world skin deep. It lives in the laughter of a street band, the quiet grace of a fisherman, the rhythm of music under the stars, and the serenity of the sea at dusk. Barbados isn't just a place, it's a feeling. One will carry long after your footprints have washed away from the sand.